Alright, so how's it going, guys? It's Alternative Furky here. So you've probably heard of this game already. It's Anime Last Stand. It's another tower game, and I'm gonna be showing you guys a script for it, for macro farm and other things. So let's just jump right in. So to get the script, you're gonna want to go to our website, robloxscripts.net, right here as you can see, and here is the website. So for the Anime Last Stand script, you're gonna want to search up in the search bar right here, Anime Last Stand. Just type it out right here and click enter. You'll see the script right here, Anime Last Stand, Wrong Hub script, macro farm. Click on it and you'll see this page right here. If you scroll down all the way to the bottom right here, you can see the download button in red. Just click on that and you will be led to Mediafire link right here, and you can download the script right here in the download button. Just click on it and it will start downloading just like that. Open up the script file and then you can copy the script by tapping in Ctrl-A and Ctrl-C and open up your game. So if you want to exploit on PC, you're gonna need an Android emulator like the one I'm using right now, Moomoo Player 12. It's the best Android emulator for codecs or just Roblox in general, because it has mouse and keyboard controls just like this as you can see. And if you need an exploit to execute your scripts on Roblox, you're gonna want to use codecs, Android. It also has an iOS version if you're on an iPhone or iPad. But yeah, to execute the script, you can just go ahead and go to the editor tab, then click this button right here. If you copied the script, this will automatically execute whatever is in your clipboard or whatever you just copied. So just write that, and after that, this GUI will pop out right here as you can see. You can toggle it on or off with this button right here, Wrong Hub, just like that. Close and open. So right here we've got multiple tabs. Right here we've got main tab. You copy the Discord link for the server, auto leave, auto next, auto replay, and down here in the lobby tab you can select which mode you want, story, which map you want to select, this desert village, and which act or level, and the difficulty of it. I'm gonna select it on normal, act 6, and desert village, just to make it simple because I already recorded macro for it. You can select either friends only. You can also auto join map and auto start it. If you want to AFK farm it, in the macro tab you can set up your macro, so basically join a game and record a macro, and after that you can use it to AFK farm over and over. So right here you can select which macros you want to use for what map. I recorded this one right here, test number 1. You can delete macros, equip macro units as well, and you can select which macro you're supposed to use on each different map. So Desert Village, I'm gonna set it to test number 1. So down here in the webhook tab, you got your webhook settings. You can set the webhook URL and user ID to ping. If you know how to use webhooks on Discord, this is how you use it. Ping on webhook, toggle results, or you can test it as well just to make sure you have everything set up. You can also import different macros from other people if you join the Discord server, for like certain maps and certain characters that they might have, and you also have. Right here in the settings tab, you can auto FPS boost, set FPS black screen to save resources, and redeem all codes. I'm just gonna click that, and just like that I will try to redeem every single existing code in existence, just in case if you haven't gotten one. Auto hide UI on execute as well. But yeah, that's about it for this UI. I'm gonna go ahead and select Desert Village and auto join map, and then auto start as well. There we go, teleporting. It'll teleport me to this server. Just gonna wait for it to load in, and just like that we're in. You don't need to type it in the script anymore. It will auto execute it just like that. You can check the status right here, macro status, idle. I'm gonna select play macro, status, play macro, 1 out of 18 steps, moving, action, spawn unit, which unit, Sukuna, 1 finger, waiting for 650 bucks for it to deploy. Just gonna wait for it. It's currently at 550 right now. It should spawn in at any moment now. There we go, just like that. It will instantly spawn where you previously set them up. And just like that. Status 2 out of 18. The next unit you're gonna spawn is Gogeta, SSJ4 as well, waiting for 850 bucks to spawn it. There we go. As you can see, the macro works. You can also go to the main tab right here and select auto replay or auto next story. If you just started, you're probably gonna be using auto next to go to the next act of this map at least. But if you're at the end game or the last map, and if you want to grind for some materials or something else, you're gonna be using auto replay to replay the map over and over again to get something you want. There we go. I have 5 units placed in, now 6 now. So this macro is pretty useful for games like this, which is basically tower games, so you can AFK farm and check your progress from webhooks and leave it auto farming overnight and stuff. But yeah, I think that's about it for me this time. I'll just speed up the video to see how it ends, and I'll see y'all next time. Well then, that's it. Total time 6 minutes, 15 waves, rewards, XP and stuff. For those of you who sticked out to the end, here's some Codex premium keys for 1 week. So enjoy that, subscribe, and get back.